In April 1920, the Supreme Council of the principal Allied powers and associated powers gathered in San Remo, Italy, for the disposition of territories that until 1920 were part of the Ottoman Empire, which had been defeated in World War I. San Remo made binding the Balfour Declaration of 1917 into an international treaty. At San Remo, Jewish historic rights became Jewish legal rights, and based on this truth, Palestine was designated as the homeland for the Jewish people. This paved the way for the League of Nations mandate for Palestine that was approved in 1922, recognizing Jewish historical connection to the land. However, by 1922, the mandated power Britain stripped away the land on the east side of the Jordan and gave it to a foreign entity not designated at San Remo. When the UN was formed in 1945, the mandate for Palestine was incorporated into Article 80 of the UN Charter and remains the only international law which affirms Jewish rights to all the land from the Jordan to the Mediterranean Sea. One may ask how the partition plan of November 29, 1947 came about, which supported the creation of an Arab state in Judea and Samaria, also other lands. Historian Joan Peters noted that by 1939, an estimated 200,000 Arabs migrated into the land. This is besides thousands and thousands that migrated into the land from 1939 to 1948. In 1947, the British placed the Palestine question before the UN General Assembly. Following the investigation of the situation in Palestine by the United Nations Special Committee on Palestine, which observed that, to quote them, "To the Arabs of Palestine, killing of Jews now transcends all other considerations." Based on that, the UN decided to partition the land on the west side of the Jordan. Let's note that a General Assembly vote is non-binding, does not replace international law, and can only take effect when both parties agree. At that time, the Arabs outright rejected a state for themselves, despite having no legal right to the land anyways. Any Jew in any place can now confidently say, based on their legal rights, religious rights, historical rights, and their moral rights, that the land of Judea and Samaria is the sovereign territory of the Jewish people.